Hello friends, today we are going to show your house how to transform your home exteriors from choosing the right color combinations and picking reliable paint brands for 2025 and whatever you are repainting house, your home is exterior is the first thing people see, so color and paint qualities matter a lot of. A good color combinations gives to the curb appeal and high quality paint protect your walls from the sun, rain, dust and fungus and everyday wear. For example, brands emphasize proofing and UV resistance and anti-dust features. In this video, I will show some trending exterior wall color combinations for 2025. Earthy tones and green and off-white extremes, warm to pure beige base with the darker accents, and deep rich tones is the grey or navy blues with the white trims for contrast. Classic whites and off-whites is the base with a stay of timeless. When choosing your combinations, keep this mind the climate of sunlight or rain as local neighborhood styles, and contrast and balance. And much direct sunlight your walls get and lighter colors help to the reflect heat in hot climates. Allow with the conditions of the surface and cracks, damp and spots, fungus and repair of before painting. Consider roof and windows door colors so the exterior looks couture. Prepare your walls cleaning and priming patching matter as so much the paint is itself. Now let's took the some top paint brands you should consider for exterior walls in India 2025. First one is the Asian Paints Apex Ultima Exterior Emulsion. It's from the top brand Asian Paints. It's known for the weatherproof and coating that resistant peeling, fading and rough weather. The price will be 4,740. It will be 20 liters. And another one is a Berger Wallmaster Antifungal Exterior Paint. It's from the Berger Paints. It's offered to the antifungal, anti-dust protection. Especially it's useful for remote or coastal places. The price will be 325 rupees for the 2 liters. And Nippona paint or Shogun exterior emulsion from the Nippona paints, it's good for strong finishes and durability. And it will be priced for 1650 rupees per 20 liters. And Birla Ops 1 True Look paint, it's from the Birla Ops. One for the emergency players with a stronger capacity in the decorative paints. And other options like Gillex, Pure Enamel, Exterior Interior and Callister Neostar Paint and flexibility from the trims, budget sensitive projects. And because industry review the list them and which one you like, you just go for and weather environment, heavy rain and the coastal salt and air peak weather. Premium paints fade less over the years and surface condition and preparation good paint for surface limited life. And there is no point buying ultra premiums if surface is prepared in week, as one user says. I have used Asian paints of Royal even after 10 years there is no damage, but make sure the putty and primer work is done good. If not, paint is gone save you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the guide of helpful. You know now your pick perfect exterior wall color combinations and trusted paint brands 2025. If you're working in your house, in this video help for you.